today we're going to discuss about the difference between Coulomb's law and gravitational law. So Coulomb's law has the same structure of Newton's law of gravitation. So for Coulomb's law we know the formula F is equal to K into Q1 Q2 by R square, and for gravitational law we have the formula Fg is equal to G into M1 M2 by R square. So the both have same structure because the Coulomb force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance, and also the gravitational force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. So the Coulomb force is directly proportional to the product of two charges, and the gravitational force is directly proportional to the product of two masses. Here two charges, here two masses. So but if it have same structure, but it have some differences. The both laws have some differences. So what are the differences? The first one is, in between the force of these masses is always attractive. But in between the charges, it may be attractive or repulsive. Because if the two charges are like charges, the force in between two charges is repulsive. If the two charges are unlike charges, that means positive, negative, unlike charges, so the force in between the charges is attractive. But the both masses in between the charges is always attractive. So the next one is, the gravitational constant value is G is equal to 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. And the value of Coulomb constant. The value of Coulomb constant is 9.9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square. So compare then these two constant values, it have very, very less value because it have minus 11, it have plus 9. So this K value is very, very greater than this gravitational constant value. So always K value is greater in magnitude. So the next one is, so in gravitational force between these two masses is independent of medium. So the force between these two charges is dependent on medium. So the next one is, if these two masses are in rest or in motion, the gravitational force in between these two masses remains same. But in between the two charges at rest is different from in motion. At rest, different from motion of these two charges. If the charges are moving, another one force come to play in between these two charges. That force is called the Lorentz force. So these are the four differences between Coulomb's law and gravitational law. Thank you.